Welcome, everyone. I am so thrilled you're here. Today, we're going to completely cut through the noise and, let's be real, the endless 2026 AI hype. If you've been wanting to build a real, sustainable business using artificial intelligence, you are absolutely in the right place. In this explainer, we're looking at a data-backed, pragmatic blueprint for building a high-income digital business totally from scratch. We're pulling some really powerful, actionable insights directly from top industry sources, places like MoneyLab, LifeZeo, NB Prompts, and Outlier Kit, to give you the absolute best roadmap available right now.
So let's just start by addressing the exact question I know is on your mind right now. You see the headlines, you hear the wild success stories, but you kind of have to wonder, can you really build a profitable, scalable business with absolutely zero upfront investment in 2026? Are we past that golden window, or, is it just beginning? Well, the emphatic, data-backed answer is yes. Zero upfront capital is required. Okay, let's dive into this, because the entire landscape of starting a business has fundamentally shifted. We are just no longer in an era where you need thousands of dollars in seed capital, a web developer, and a massive marketing team just to launch an idea. You literally just need the right tools and the right strategy. Here is our rapid-fire roadmap for today. We're walking up what I call the ladder of leverage. We'll start with the zero investment reality, move into profitable AI freelance services, scale up to passive income digital products, unlock the faceless YouTube formula, and then finish up with your free AI stack. Let's jump right into section 1, the zero investment reality. No capital needed. Think about traditional business for a second. Capital was basically used to buy leverage, right? You paid for employees, expensive software, and physical assets to do all the heavy lifting. Well, in 2026, high-end AI software acts as your digital employees. And here's the crazy secret. They have incredibly generous free tiers. You don't need a massive budget because tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Canva provide enterprise-grade capabilities totally for free. Your laptop and an internet connection, that's now an entire production studio, an engineering firm, and a marketing agency, all rolled into one. Moving right along to section 2, profitable AI freelance services, trading effort for income. Now, what's really interesting here is the sheer earning potential when you pair specialized AI tools with really expensive business problems. Take custom AI chatbots, for example. Local businesses are absolutely drowning in customer queries. By using free builders like VoiceFlow or Coz, you can actually design automated customer support bots without writing a single line of code. And you can charge setup and maintenance fees that easily scale up to $8,000 a month. Or think about web creation. Tools like v0.dev and bolt.new let you build these stunning landing pages using just simple English text prompts. You're solving high-value problems for real businesses, and you're using AI to deliver the work in a fraction of the time. But, how do you actually land these clients if you're starting from absolute scratch? It really comes down to 3 practical steps. First up, create a portfolio. Don't sit around waiting for permission. Just build 2 or 3 sample mockups of a website or a chatbot. Second, start cold outreach. Go directly to local business owners on Instagram or shoot them an email. And third, and honestly, this is the magic bullet, offer a free trial. Tell them you'll write 1 free SEO post or build 1 mockup page. The data actually shows that offering a risk-free trial like this converts about 90% of the time. You build the trust, you prove your value, and boom, you secure the retainer. All right, on to section 3, passive income digital products. Building passive income streams. Digital products are just phenomenal because they require zero inventory, zero shipping, and they boast near 100% profit margins. Just think about this for a second. With a free AI stock like Midjourney paired with Printify, you can design and sell custom merchandise on platforms like Etsy. The setup takes maybe 3 to 5 days, and then it just runs automatically in the background. Ebooks and planners created with ChatGPT and Canva AI, those can earn up to $2,000 a month. Even AI music licensing with Suno AI allows you to generate tracks and collect royalties. You put in a single week of setup, and you can honestly harvest months or even years of passive royalties. However, we definitely need to temper expectations here for a moment. Passive income is not overnight income. This timeline perfectly maps out the reality of the situation. Month 1, that's all about setup. By month 2, your traffic and views will slowly begin growing. Month 3 is usually when that first real passive income, maybe a few $100s, actually arrives. And then by month 6, you hit stable recurring income. The absolute biggest mistake people make is quitting in month 2, literally right before that compounding effect takes over. You have got to let the algorithm and your digital assets mature. Let's transition to section 4, the faceless YouTube formula, the highest leverage asset. And this brilliantly illustrates how the barrier to entry for media creation has completely collapsed. I mean, a traditional channel required thousands of dollars in gear and someone incredibly charismatic on camera, which, let's be honest, ruled out a lot of us. Today, a faceless YouTube channel requires none of that. You just need targeted stock footage, a high-quality AI-generated voiceover, and a deeply compelling researched script. You're basically replacing the need for on-camera talent with sheer informational value. And why is this specific model so lucrative? Well, it all comes down to CPM, cost per mil, which is what advertisers pay per 1,000 views. Now, not all views are created equal. If you create content in the personal finance niche, advertisers will pay massive premiums, upwards of $45 per 1,000 views. Business and SaaS channels command around $35. Compare that to something like entertainment or relaxation music, which sits way down at around $10. The takeaway here, advertisers are more than willing to pay massive premiums for B2B and finance viewers because those audiences have incredibly high buyer intent. So what are the best niches to target? Well, personal finance using animated charts and an AI voice is an absolute goldmine. But also, consider AI and tech news. The effort to start is just incredibly low. You're essentially using screen recording software to demonstrate new AI tools accompanied by a voiceover. And not only is it super easy to produce, but it also commands incredibly high affiliate revenues because your viewers are actively looking to buy or subscribe to the software that you're demonstrating. Now, to pull this off, you need the ultimate 2026 YouTube automation stack. You'll start with Outlier Kit to research and find proven high-demand video topics, so you're never just guessing what to make. Then, tools like AI Tuber can completely automate this scheduling and publishing loop. If you want granular visual control, FrameLoop turns your script into a scene-by-scene video effortlessly. And for the audio, 11 Labs provides human-quality voiceovers that are practically indistinguishable from real, actual speech. Armed with this stack, a single person can legitimately outproduce an entire traditional media team. It's wild. Which brings us to our final section, Section 5, your free AI stack, your complete toolkit. Let's move to the final piece of the puzzle. When you look at the landscape of AI right now, it is a massive, totally overwhelming sea of applications. The key to not getting lost is mental categorization. You really need to divide your software into two tiers. Tier 1. Those are your moneymakers, the tools that actually generate the core product, the code or the content that you sell. Tier 2, those are your multipliers, the tools that handle your research, your admin, and your workflow, basically making your underlying business run faster and vastly more profitable. So here are your essential Tier 1 moneymakers. ChatGPT is your versatile heavy lifter. It's perfect for drafting client proposals, writing ebooks, and just general brainstorming. Then you have Claude. Claude is an absolute champion when you need a massive 200,000 token context window to analyze huge documents or rapidly code prototypes. Canva AI, that takes you from a raw product idea to a visual reality, like an ebook cover or a pitch deck in literally minutes. And if you're building software, Cursor is the AI code editor that gives you thousands of free completions, making you 3 to 5 times faster. These tools, purely on their free tiers, allow you to output the work of an entire agency. Next up, we have your Tier 2 multipliers. Perplexity is just incredible for doing pro-level market research, giving you actual citations so you know your data is legit. Gemini hooks directly into real-time Google search, which is a massive advantage for competitor analysis. Loom is a secret weapon. Sending a 5-minute video walkthrough of a proposal to a client literally doubles conversion rates compared to just sending a plain text email. And finally, Zapier ties the whole shebang together by automating your repetitive administrative workflows, which buys back your most valuable asset, your time. So the crucial point is summarized perfectly by this quote from the Money Lab team. The person who picks 3 tools and starts today will out-earn the person who evaluates 50 tools and starts next month. Honestly, endless research is really just procrastination in a very clever disguise. And hey, we are all guilty of it. You do not need to master every single AI tool on the market. You just need to pick the 2 or 3 that fit your chosen business model, learn them inside out, and start shipping value to the market. We've looked at the data, we've broken down the zero investment reality, the freelance models, the passive digital products, and the faceless YouTube channels. You now have the exact blueprint and the completely free software stack to make it happen. The barrier to entry is completely gone. So I'm going to leave you with this. What business are you starting today? Thank you so much for tuning into this explainer. Get out there, pick your tools, and let's start building.